Are you ready to break free from the monotony of everyday life? Imagine exploring breathtaking landscapes, diving into thrilling activities, and experiencing the excitement of adventures that will leave you with unforgettable memories. In 2024, adventure travel packages promise not only heart-pounding activities but also serene escapes to some of the most stunning destinations on Earth. This article covers the top destinations and packages that guarantee excitement, wonder, and unforgettable experiences. Why choose adventure travel in 2024? Adventure travel isn't just about thrills, it's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing life's most exciting experiences. Whether it's the fear of leaping into the unknown or the adrenaline rush of conquering challenges, adventure travel can inspire personal growth, deeper connections with nature, and an appreciation for life. One, New Zealand, a land of endless thrills. New Zealand is a paradise for adventure enthusiasts. With its stunning mountains, fjords, and coastlines, it offers activities that cater to every adrenaline level. 1. Skydiving in Queenstown. Experience the rush of free-falling with views of pristine lakes and snow-capped peaks. 2. Bungee jumping at Kawarau Bridge. Conquer your fear at the birthplace of bungee jumping. 3. Hiking in Fiordland National Park. Explore trails surrounded by serene waterfalls and lush greenery. 4. Whitewater rafting on the Kaituna River. Brave Grade 5 rapids through dramatic canyons. 2. Costa Rica, nature's adventure playground. Costa Rica combines thrilling adventures with breathtaking natural beauty. Its rainforests, volcanoes, and beaches make it an eco-adventure paradise. 1. Ziplining in Monteverde Cloud Forest. Soar above lush treetops and feel the wind on your face. 2. Surfing at Tamarindo Beach. Ride the waves at one of the best surfing spots in the world. 3. Rafting on the Pakware River. Navigate through jungle-lined rapids while spotting exotic wildlife. 4. Hiking Arenal Volcano. Witness geothermal wonders while exploring lush volcanic trails. 3. Iceland, fire and ice adventures. Iceland's dramatic landscapes offer adventures you won't find anywhere else. This land of fire and ice is perfect for those seeking a unique thrill. 1. Snorkeling in Silfra Fisher. Swim between two tectonic plates in crystal-clear glacial water. 2. Hiking on Vatnajökull Glacier. Explore icy caves and rugged glacier terrain. 3. Chasing the Northern Lights. Witness a natural wonder that will leave you breathless. 4. Exploring Ingvala National Park. Discover historical sites surrounded by stunning geology. 4. Peru, mystical adventures in the Andes. Peru blends ancient history with heart-racing adventures. The country's iconic landscapes and cultural treasures are perfect for explorers. 1. Trekking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. Challenge yourself with this iconic journey to the Lost City. 2. Sandboarding in Huacachina. Glide down massive dunes for an unforgettable desert experience. 3. Exploring the Amazon rainforest. Immerse yourself in the wild heart of the jungle. 4. Paragliding in Lima. Soar over the city's coastline for breathtaking ocean views. 5. South Africa, wildlife and wilderness. South Africa offers a mix of thrilling safaris, ocean adventures, and stunning landscapes. It's a must-visit destination for adventurers. 1. Shark cage diving in Gansbai. Confront your fears face-to-face with great white sharks. 2. Safari in Kruger National Park. Witness the Big Five in their natural habitat. 3. hiking the Drakensberg Mountains, traverse jaw-dropping peaks and breathtaking vistas. 4. Kayaking in Sitsakama National Park, paddle along rugged coastlines and through turquoise waters. 6. Nepal, the roof of the world. Nepal is a dream destination for mountain enthusiasts and spiritual seekers alike. Its majestic Himalayas promise adventures that challenge and inspire. 1. Everest Base Camp Trek, stand at the foot of the world's tallest mountain. 2. Whitewater rafting on the Trishuli River, navigate fast-flowing rivers amid stunning landscapes. 3. Paragliding in Pokhara, glide above serene lakes with the Annapurna Range as your backdrop. 4. Exploring Chitwan National Park, spot rare wildlife like tigers and rhinos. 7. Canada, wilderness and adventure. Canada's vast wilderness offers boundless opportunities for thrilling activities amidst some of the planet's most spectacular landscapes. One. Dog sledding in Yukon, glide through snowy trails surrounded by untouched beauty. 2. Ice climbing in Banff National Park, challenge yourself on frozen waterfalls. 3. Whale watching in Vancouver, get close to majestic orcas in their natural habitat. 4. Hiking in Jasper National Park, discover scenic trails filled with serene lakes and rugged peaks. 8. Australia, land of diverse adventures. Australia's diverse landscapes provide adventure experiences ranging from deserts to oceans. 1. Diving at the Great Barrier Reef, explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. 2. Surfing in Byron Bay, catch world-class waves and enjoy the laid-back vibe. 3. Hiking in the Blue Mountains, walk through ancient forests and marvel at breathtaking cliffs. 4. Exploring Kakadu National Park, witness ancient Aboriginal rock art and stunning waterfalls. 9. Switzerland, Alpine Adventure Wonderland. Switzerland's alpine landscapes offer unmatched opportunities for adventure in every season. 1. Skiing in Zermatt, glide down powdery slopes with the Matterhorn as your backdrop. 2. Paragliding in Interlaken, soar high above the Alps for panoramic views. 3. Hiking the Jungfrau region, trek trails that wind through meadows, peaks, and glaciers. 4. Mountain biking in Graubünden, test your skills on thrilling downhill trails. 10. Indonesia, island escapade. Indonesia's thousands of islands promise a unique mix of culture, beauty, and adventure. 1. Diving in Raja Ampat, explore underwater worlds with vibrant marine life. 2. Hiking Mount Bromo, witness breathtaking sunrises over an active volcano. 3. Surfing in Bali, enjoy some of the best waves in the world. 4. Jungle trekking in Sumatra, encounter orangutans in their natural habitat. Tips for choosing your adventure travel package. When planning your adventure, consider these factors to make your trip memorable. 1. Look for packages with experienced guides for added safety. 2. Choose destinations with a mix of adventure and relaxation. 3. Book in advance to secure the best deals and spots. 4. Research the activity difficulty levels to match your experience. Why adventure travel is worth it. Adventure travel isn't just about the thrill, it's about the stories you'll tell, the fears you'll overcome, and the excitement you'll carry home. Whether it's skydiving over mountains, diving deep into coral reefs, or trekking to ancient ruins, every adventure is a chance to embrace life to its fullest. Conclusion. The top adventure travel packages for 2024 promise experiences that will inspire, challenge, and excite you. From the icy landscapes of Iceland to the lush jungles of Costa Rica, the world is waiting for you to explore its wonders. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Adventure awaits.